Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker mounting grommet in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker mounting grommet. This mounting grommet is located at the front end of the ice maker's head on the left side of the cabinet. It works as a spacer between the cabinet and the ice maker. When replacing the ice maker, this grommet could be easily lost and obviously needs to be replaced. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Our next move is to take out this ice bucket. I'm going to lift up the front end and slide it out. Now I'm going to place this ice bucket on the table or on the counter, but before I'll recommend you to empty it out. Next smart thing to do is to turn the ice maker off. We're going to move this lever to the off position. This is the grommet we are going to replace. To do that, we need to use a Phillips screwdriver and take out this Phillips screw here that holds the ice maker. Next, we're going to slide forward the ice maker just a little bit. Alright, and now we can remove the grommet. This is the old ice maker mounting grommet next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, I'm going to place the screw right there in that little hole here. And I'm going to install the new grommet onto the screw. Right now I'm going to slide these, the ice maker onto these two grommets at the back. We have two grooves on the ice maker head. I'm going to put it on. And now I'm going to insert the screw into this hole. Start it manually. And one more thing, very important. Before we install the ice maker, before I tighten the screw, make sure that that water inlet tube over there on the top is inside the stub. And now I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to tighten that screw. Alright, before going any further, we need to turn the ice maker back on. So I'm going to slide the lever to the on position. And now we're going to place the ice bucket back in. We got to slide it onto these guides. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.